Hollywood lied to us. No dinosaur sounded the way you think. The T-Rex never roared, and science proves it. Today, you're gonna hear what 9 prehistoric creatures really sounded like. We've spent our whole lives listening to fake roars in movies and TV shows, but science says otherwise. Today, you'll discover how 9 prehistoric creatures actually sounded, and I warn you, nothing is like what you imagine. Let's start with the big one, the Tyrannosaurus rex. This iconic predator has been portrayed in films with a terrifying roar, but current science suggests its real sound may have been very different. Let's listen to how it sounded. Now let's move on to another lethal hunter, the Velociraptor. Often imagined as a screeching, fierce reptile, the reality is that this dinosaur, being more closely related to birds, likely produced sounds similar to modern eagles or ostriches. Its vocalizations may have played a key role in coordinating pack behavior during hunts, allowing them to communicate quickly and efficiently. Let's hear how it might have sounded. Next is the Triceratops, one of the most iconic herbivores of the Cretaceous. Often portrayed as a silent giant, science suggests this dinosaur may have produced deep, resonant sounds similar to modern elephants or rhinos. It may have used its massive skull and nasal cavities to amplify its calls, communicating with its herd or warning predators that it wasn't easy prey. Some researchers believe these calls could travel long distances across open plains, helping individuals stay connected even when separated. Let's listen to how it might have sounded. Now let's dive into the prehistoric oceans to discover the sound of the Mosasaurus. Although it wasn't a dinosaur but a marine reptile, this colossal predator ruled the Cretaceous seas. Unlike land dinosaurs, mosasaurs probably didn't roar. Instead, they likely produced low-frequency sounds similar to modern whales or crocodiles. They may have used these sounds to communicate underwater or detect prey in the darkness of the deep. These vibrations could have also helped them navigate murky waters, acting almost like a primitive form of sonar. Let's listen to how it might have sounded. Now let's rise into the prehistoric skies to hear the Quetzalcoatlus, the largest known pterosaur. Although not a dinosaur, this gigantic winged reptile dominated the Cretaceous era. Due to its size and its close relation to modern birds, it likely produced sounds similar to storks or vultures, beak clicks, hisses, and perhaps guttural calls to communicate with others of its kind. Its vocalizations may have echoed across nesting colonies, helping individuals identify mates or defend territory. Let's listen to how it might have sounded. Now it's time for the Spinosaurus, the semi-aquatic predator of the Cretaceous. Instead of a fierce roar, it probably emitted deep grunts, hisses, and snorts, similar to crocodiles or herons. These sounds may have helped it mark territory, communicate, or attract mates in its swampy habitat. Its unique sail might have even played a role in visual communication, complementing its vocal signals during confrontations or displays. Let's listen to how it might have sounded. Finally, we arrive at the Elasmosaurus, one of the most famous plesiosaurs. Although not a dinosaur, this marine reptile may have used low-frequency sounds, similar to whales or seals, to communicate underwater. Clicks, hums, or deep calls could have helped it navigate and find others of its species in the vast Cretaceous oceans. Its long neck may have allowed it to subtly reposition its head to better detect vibrations and locate distant signals. Let's listen to how it might have sounded. Now that you've heard the real sounds, which one surprised you the most? Leave it in the comments and tell us which dinosaur should be next. The journey is just beginning.